How to hide your subscription list on YouTube. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to hide your subscribers list on YouTube so it won't appear on your YouTube channel or videos? Also, you don't want to notify other YouTube creators that you have subscribed to their channel? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's learn how to hide the subscription list on YouTube. Open YouTube on a device. You will land on its official homepage. Tap on the circle with your profile picture at the bottom right corner. Make sure you are using the correct account where you wish to hide your subscription list. If not, tap on switch accounts to easily switch between accounts. Once you are in the correct account, tap on your channel name. You will be redirected to your official YouTube channel page. Tap on the pencil icon. Under privacy, you will see keep all my subscriptions private. Toggle on the button for this feature. And boom, by turning on this feature, you have successfully hidden your subscription list on YouTube. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.